Dear students, now I am going to explain units and dimensions part 3. Units and dimensions part 3. Now let us see some physical constants and their values. So these values are very useful to solve the numerical problems in physics. Example 1 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. AMU means atomic mass unit. Its value 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. That also equals to 931 MeV, 931 mega electron volts. Another value 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere is equal to 76 centimeter of Hg. That equals to 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Avogadro number denoted by n 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. It has no units because it is a number. Permittivity of free space is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 Fm inverse. Permeability of free space value 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter. Henry per meter. Joule's constant J equals to 4.186 joules per calorie. Planck's constant H 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Rydberg constant capital R 1.0974 into 10 to the power 7 per meter. Boltzmann's constant K 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Stephen's constant value 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin to the power of 4. It is denoted by sigma. Dimensions and dimensional analysis. Let us discuss dimensions and dimensional analysis. So this is the most important topic in this chapter. Dimensions and dimensional analysis. Now let us see dimensions of physical quantities. Dimensions of physical quantities. So what are the dimensions of the physical quantities? So when we are speaking of dimensions of a physical quantity in mechanics, we are referring to the type of fundamental quantities. They are like mass, length, time. Make it up. The dimensions of a physical quantity can be determined from its definition. For example, velocity is defined as displacement divided by time. For example, velocity is defined as displacement is divided with time. So dimensions of velocity. Dimensions of velocity means dimensions of displacement. Displacement nothing but length. Length dimensions by time dimensions. In order to write this dimensional equation in compact form, we use square bracket. The use of square bracket indicates that we are taking only about dimensions and not the actual values. In this notation, the above dimensional equation becomes, so velocity is equal to dimension of length by dimension of time. So that can be written as dimension of L into dimension of time, that is T inverse. So finally m0 lt minus 1. So velocity dimension formula m0 L t minus 1. So let us see important points about dimensions. Important points about dimensions. So the formula of a physical quantity may be different in different cases, but the dimensions remain the same. For example, the formulas for the area of square and that of circle are different. Why? Area of square s square, area of circle pi r square. Different. But dimensions in both cases are the same. The dimension formula for area of square is L square and the dimensional formula of circle also L square, that is L2. Another one, the dimensions of a physical quantity are independent of the system of units used. The dimensions of a physical quantity are independent of the system of units used. Third one, if you know the dimensions of a physical quantity, we can at once write its unit. For example, if some physical quantity has the dimensions m, l minus 1, t minus 1, then its SI unit will be m means kilogram, L means meter inverse, L inverse means meter inverse, T inverse means S inverse. So that is kilogram per meter second. So another example, acceleration is equal to velocity by time. So dimensions of acceleration is equal to velocity dimensions by time dimensions. So acceleration formula, dimension formula, velocity dimension formula m0 lt minus 1 by dimension formula of t denoted by t. So finally, after simplification, we got m0 lt minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for acceleration. Hence, the dimensions of acceleration are 0 in mass, 1 in length, and minus 2 in time. Clearly, the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So the dimensions of acceleration are 0 in mass. So in the acceleration, mass is 0, 1 in length, and minus 2 in time. So clearly, the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So example, another example, force is equal to mass into acceleration. We know that F is equal to ma. So dimensions of force equals to mass dimensions into acceleration dimensions. Dimensional formula for force is equal to mass dimension m, acceleration dimensions, velocity by time, lt minus 2. That equals to mlt minus 2. So it is the dimension formula of force, mlt minus 2. Hence, the dimensions of force are 1 in mass, 1 in length, and minus 2 in time. The SI unit of force is m means kilogram, mass, L length means meter, time means second. So finally, the SI unit of force is kilogram meter per second square. Dimensional formula. Let us see what is dimensional formula. When we express a physical quantity in terms of its dimensions, it is called dimensional formula of that quantity. So for example, density. So we can express the dimensions of the density m1 L minus 3 T0. Density is equal to m1 L minus 3 T0. Dimensions. What are dimensions? The powers to which the fundamental units are to be raised to obtain a unit for that physical quantity are called dimensions of a physical quantity. So the powers to which the fundamental units are to be raised to obtain a unit for that physical quantity are called dimensions of a physical quantity. Symbols for fundamental units. So we have the 7 fundamental units. To write the dimension formula, we have to mention the symbols. So symbols for the fundamental units. The fundamental units are represented by capital letters. The most important point, fundamental units are represented by capital letters. So unit of mass is denoted by capital letter M. Unit of length is denoted by capital letter L. Unit of time is denoted by capital letter T. Unit of temperature is denoted by K or theta. Unit of electric current is denoted by A or I, capital letter A or capital letter I. Unit of luminous intensity is denoted by CD, capital letter C, small letter d. Unit of quantity of matter is denoted by MOL. Dimensional equation. What is dimensional equation? When the dimensional formula of a physical quantity expressed in the form of an equation, then such equation is known as dimensional equation. When the dimensional formula of a physical quantity is expressed in the form of an equation, then such equation is known as dimensional equation. In general, the dimensional formula of a quantity can be written as m raised x, l raised y, t raised z. Dimensional constant. What are the dimensional constant? We know that some constants are there and they have the dimensions. So they are called dimensional constant. So example, Planck's constant, universal gravitational constant, universal gas constant, Boltzmann constant, Stefan's constant, permittivity of vacuum, permeability of vacuum, speed of light in vacuum. So these are the constant, but they have the dimensions. So they are called dimensional constants. Dimensional variables. Some variables are there, but they have the dimensionals. So they are called dimensional variables. So they are velocity, area, density, force, power, energy, etc. These are called dimensional variables. So they are variables and they have the dimensions. So they are called dimensional variables. So dimensionless constant. Some constants are there, but they have no dimensionals. They have no units. So they are the dimensionless constants. Example, numbers, angle, and pi constant. So these quantities have no units. They have no dimensions. So these are called dimensionless constants. Dimensionless variables. So similarly, some variables are there, but they have no dimensions. They have no units. So they are called dimensionless variables. They are strain, Poisson's ratio, coefficient of friction, relative density, refractive index, relative permittivity, relative permeability, angular displacement, etc. So these are the variables, but they have no dimensions. So these are called dimensionless variables. I will explain the remaining topic in the next video. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Please do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel.